Today we're looking at Milwaukee's M12 Cordless Soldering Iron. First impressions, it feels good in your hand, weighs less than your phone, has a rubber grip, so it's good contact, good control, easy to reach into tight, fiddly spaces. The soldering iron has 3 adjustable positions. They don't just help you improve your control, but means you can adapt the tool for the job at hand. Soldering iron comes with 2 tips, both the chisel tip and the pointed tip. You can change those without any tools required, just with your fingers. Just wait until the soldering iron's cool. The iron heats up really fast. It has a green indicator light that blinks while heating up. It's solid green when you're ready to go, and when you turn the tool off and the tip's still hot, it'll show you a red light so you don't have any accidents in the shop. There's a work light in the guard, and that guard is designed not just to protect your hand, but as a stand. No matter what angle you put the tool down, it's going to keep the tip elevated. It's compatible across the entire M12 range, and it boasts about 40 minutes of soldering time per charge. I've seen people using the 4-amp batteries and higher because of their flat base to use as a stand with a soldering iron. I don't recommend against it. It's just that if you're clumsy at all like me, it's a really good chance that you could dump yourself on that and burn it. Why not just lie the tool down and using the guard as a stand? What's great about this soldering iron, you can throw it in your toolbox, you can use it anywhere, and it's ready to go in seconds. If you've got any questions about the Milwaukee M12 soldering iron, hit me up in that comment section below. Until next time, I'm Tim, you're watching Cine Tools TV.